song of sixpence, a pocket full of rye, 24 blackbirds baked in a pie. When the pie was open, the birds began to sing. Now wasn't that a dainty dish to set before the king? The king was in the counting house, counting out his money. The queen was in the parlour, eating bread and honey. The maid was in the garden, hanging out her clothes. Along came a blackbird and snipped off her nose. They sent for the king's doctor, who sewed it on again. He sewed it on so neatly, the seam was never seen. The blackbird for his naughtiness deservedly was slain. Along came a Jenny Wren, who snapped it off again.